Hey, welcome back. Van here. I've got a couple products here we're going to try out. The company sent to me. It's Hair Restoration Laboratories. It's a DHT blocking hair loss shampoo and a hair restoration conditioner. We're going to try these out. Check out this right here that I found on their website. These pictures came from their website. These are the things that they're saying about it. Here's a couple products that they promote as well to help with your hair loss. So they reached out and they said I'd be a good candidate. Well, I guess I would be because I am bald. So after this video is made, I'm going to do a 30-day, every day for the next 30 days. I'm going to take a picture of the top of my head and we're going to see what it looks like in 30 days. But, well, we're going to give it a try. But there'll be a link to all this in the description down below. Y'all head on over there and check out their website. They might be able to tell you more than what I can. Let's do it. Wow, it sure does lather up good. Look at that. We're going all out, son. High class. All right, we're gonna let that sit on there for 3 to 5 minutes. Be right back. All right, it's been right at 5 minutes. Should be 5 minutes after I fill this cup up. It's got a great smell to it. I'll tell you that. It's got a great smell to it. Wow. Nice smell. I didn't taste it. I should have tasted this, but I didn't taste it. But it smells good. Alright. Now we're going to put the conditioner in. Ooh, that's minty. Minty. Oh, what does this say it's got in there? Well, we'll read it here in a second. Put some conditioner in my hand. Get it worked up in here. Yeah. I'm going to leave that in for 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to massage it in there really good. Oh, yeah. Yep. That smells really good. Let's see what this thing has in it. Oh man, let's see here. Blend of over 30 ingredients. It says no conditioner leaves your hair appearing fuller. Oh yeah, and feeling stronger than the Hair Restoration Laboratories Hair Restore Conditioner. And this stuff is starting to get a little tingly on the head. I don't know how you can leave this in here for 5 minutes without it drying. I'll be back. All right, it's been right about 5 minutes. We're gonna get this out of here. If you're new to my channel's all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. I've never done a review like this before. This is the first for me, but I will tell you, I'm honest. I will tell you that right now I'm feeling that this stuff has really made my hair feel soft. Really soft. Oh yeah. Soft. Rinse it out real good. I guess the last thing I need to do is take a picture of my head to start the 30 days to see what this stuff does in 30 days. Oh man, my hair feels so soft. It feels so soft. I should have put it in my beard. Hey, y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching. You come back.